Hey, watch me move.
H is for hug, a big squeeze for you. Ha 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 ha. I love a hug, it's true. H is for hat, upon my head you see. Ha 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 ha. A hat for you and me. H is for house with a roof and a door. Ha ha ha. Let's play some more.
Wrap your arms around yourself.
At the top of your head.
Make a triangle roof over your head with your hands.
Hop, hop, hop like a horse. Hop, hop, hop like a horse. Of course, of course. Pet, pet, pet. A happy sound all the way to the ground. Up it goes, a house so tall. Then we wobble and we fall. Give a gentle, playful wobble and a hug.
Hi, Mr. H.
Hello, Mr. H. Hello, Mr. H. How are you? How are you? You are for my hat. You are for my hat.
You are for my hat.
Make a roof with hands. Hug and heart. Heart and heart.
Hug yourself and make a heart.
Shape with your hand.
Where is the hat?
Hello, Mr. Hat.
Where is the hat?
Where is the hat?
Here I am.
Here I am.
Point to a hat on your head or just keep hands there.
How are you today, hat?
Tilt hat.
Very well, I thank you.
Run and play, run and play.
Wiggle fingers and make them run away. Where is the hug? Give a big hug. Where is the hug?
Give a big